And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Welcome, sea lions, to the carnival.
I hope you have a great time at the carnival. Bye.
Thank you so much, PTA, and all the people who made this awesome carnival happen. Wednesday, October 22nd is also known as Unity Day.
Unity Day is when our school comes together to send one powerful message. We stand united for kindness, inclusion, and acceptance and against bullying.
Bullying is never okay. On Unity Day, we show everyone that we support students who have been bullied and commit to making our school a safe, friendly place for everyone.
You should participate on Wednesday, October 22nd by wearing orange. Whether it is an orange shirt, a sweater, a ribbon, or even just orange socks. Wearing this vibrant color signals that you are an ally and that our school is strong, diverse, and caring.
Let's make our school grow with kindness. Remember, you are powerful. Use your voice to include others, offer a friendly word, and always choose kindness.
This is Sea Lion leader Mary Jane Pitts with this week's announcements. Parent conferences continue on Monday only. Please be ready for a 12:30 dismissal. We are excited to have Diwali chalk outside of the wellness room during lunch recess. Come join the celebration on Monday. Color screening will begin on Monday. Try your best. Project Seek is thrilled to announce Skate Night is back. Let's all roll out to the Fountain Valley roller rink at 6 o'clock on Monday night. Reading Lab starts up again on Tuesday. Thank you for working so hard. All 29 classrooms have reached 100% PTA memberships. To celebrate, we'll have a DJ dance party during lunch recess. Come join the fun on Tuesday. Life class begins again on Tuesday after school. Be sure to check in and have fun. Violin rehearsal is on Tuesday after school. Support our programs on Tuesday night by dining for McGaw. Visit the kebab shop on Seal Beach Boulevard. Mention our school and enjoy your meal. Wear orange on Wednesdays because it's Unity Day. This is the day where we stand united for kindness, inclusion, and acceptance. We are also standing united against bullying at our school and in our community. Sea Lion Chorus is on Wednesday after school in room 13. Youth Center music class is also on Wednesday after school. It's finally time for McGaw Idol rehearsal. Make sure to check your invitation so you know when to arrive. Rehearsal begins at 1:30 in the auditorium. McGaw Idol rehearsals continue on Thursday after school. Rehearsal begins at 2:30 in the auditorium. Pageant practice is on Thursday after school in the gym. Start with Hello is back on Friday. Wear your red shirt and practice kindness by saying hello and introducing yourself to someone new. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Hey, what's that?
Rabbit.
Go put them in.
UTK.
Let's kick things off by celebrating UTK student from Mrs. Seigen's class. Put your hands together for Thea Fleckenstein. It says here that Flea did a great job with sharing the toys. Thanks so much, Thea. You're doing a wonderful job.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Kim wants to celebrate kindergarten student Dino Rupert. She said when we started writing a sentence in class, Dino did not give up. He practiced and worked hard. 2 weeks later, he is spelling and writing on his own. Way to go!
First grade.
Mr. Forehand wants to celebrate first grader Lennon Wright. He said that Lennon was so polite when we read the story called Spoon. Thanks, Lennon, for giving your undivided attention.
Second grade.
Guest teacher Mrs. LaBounty wants to celebrate second grader Cam Radach. She said that Cam had an awesome day today. He worked hard, got his work done, and listened intently. Well done, sir.
Third grade.
Mrs. Samari wants to celebrate third grader Emmett Myers. She said that Emmett was a great listener and so helpful in STEM class. Way to go, Emmett.
Fourth grade.
Mr. Larson wants to celebrate fourth grader Julianne Takami. You see, Julianne was being a deep thinker and a great writer during today's reflection in class. I'm super impressed with your hard work.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Miss Kristen wants to celebrate fifth grader Rachel Miklas. She said that without being asked, Rachel immediately jumped in to help with the ball cart after school. We appreciate you helping to take care of our community. Thanks, Rach. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.